Greetings, viewers. Thanks for joining me outside today. It's a beautiful spring day. The trees are budding, the grass is needing mowed, but I'm liking this weather. I wanted to give a quick update on the T100, even though I haven't done the front end yet and it's a little sloppy, and I haven't done the carrier bearing yet and it's a little sloppy. I have been driving it around, just wanting to put some miles on it because it needs it, because it's sat for so long. I did take it to the car wash, and man, it looks so much better being clean. The factory wheels that were on it, excuse me, when I got it, those 15s, I did manage to sell those for 50 bucks. So that's 50 bucks more off on what I've got in this so far. It does look so much better. You can tell the other truck leaked oil, and the guy was under there all the time filling it up by the oily fingerprints all over the front of the hood, but I'll get to that later. Really pleased with how it's looking. Really glad to sell those wheels, get a little more money back. I'm still hoping that selling that other truck or parts of it is gonna reap me some rewards. I did take the bed liner out and put the rubber mat in. Not quite as good a fit as I thought it was, or that I remembered, but it's still nice to have in there. Got my matching spare wheel. The bed was in really good shape. There is rust inside there. I don't know that I'm going to take the time to fix this, because if I ever make the cab look good enough that I want to make the bed look good too, I can buy a replacement bed. Right now I can get a replacement cab with no rust for $600. So there's ways you can fix it up and make it prettier. We'll just see how much I end up loving this as time goes by. So I still got frame repairs to make, still got front end parts to put on. I did get the bushings in for the shifter, and it's nice and tight. Excuse me. Even though it isn't 100% safe for the road, it's safe enough to drive around. I want to get the front end parts done. I do have it plated and insured properly, but it's good to get some miles on one, especially one that has set. I need to clean those door panels up a little more. I did discover during my drive, everything works on it. The air conditioning works, the cruise control works, the heat. Let's see, not much on the stereo, but they did put some aftermarket speakers in, I found, and it does jam. There's a spider coming down from my ceiling. That was funny. Anyway, so yeah, still got these pieces to do to make a daily driver, but I have been putting some miles on it out in the country to get it used to going, and that gives me an opportunity to shake it down too. So I'll keep you updated as things go. The brake repair that was done on it is fine. The brakes work fine. There's no leaks. That doesn't bug me being there. So that'll be a repair that comes later. Hang on, let me get underneath real quick. Okay, you can kind of see I decided to mix me up some of that 2-part liquid JB Weld and just smear all my welds with it before I drove it, because I didn't want oil to get up in the holes if there were any. Figured it can't hurt. I've driven it about another 20 miles since I did that. There's no leaks. It's time for paint. Time to, well, not time to, but the next thing would be paint. And I'll get under here and scrape and paint as I go, discover what spots need fixed, and move on. Let me get back out from under here. I am keeping a bunch of spare parts like tail lights, other parts, door handles. Those are common problems on these. Little things off of that other truck. It has one good mirror on it. There's a few more spare parts I'll get, maybe. This usually keep them around and end up not needing them, but there I go blathering on. The headlights look and work great. I did try it out at night, so polishing them one more time can only make that better. Thanks for tuning in today. Like and subscribe if you wanna. Check out the links if you wanna. Got Greetings Viewers t-shirts coming up. They're gonna be at my Etsy store. As soon as I get mine, I'll show you that, because you're going to want one of those for sure. So I do appreciate you tuning in. You can like and subscribe and check links and all that good stuff. But most important, have a great day.